So of course the final step is to turn our single custom speech mark into a full set. So if I zoom into that region and select the original, hold down the Alt key and Alt click and drag to create a duplicate. Let go of the mouse, let go of the Alt key. I've just separated that by one baseline distance in there, and possibly just move it across a touch, and that should be fine. Now, rather than keeping both of them set to a blue fill, you can do is press Shift and X on the keyboard, and that will switch around its attributes so that the fill becomes the stroke and vice versa. You could also go to the bottom of the tools panel where you'll find a replica of our fill and stroke symbols, and the little curly arrow just to the top right of there will do exactly the same thing. It will switch around those attributes for you. I'll select both of them, go to Object and choose Group, and then making sure that I have Aligned to Page turned on, I'll make sure that's aligned centrally, and then go to View, Fit Page in Window, and create another duplicate by Alt-clicking and dragging downwards. Let go of the mouse, and then, well, you could either hover your cursor over the corner and click and hold down the left mouse button and drag round. If you hold down the Shift key, you can spin that around in increments of 45 degrees. When you let go of the mouse, it does this. Or if you prefer not to mess about with all of that, you can go up to the rotate symbols up at the top, where you can rotate in a clockwise or counterclockwise fashion, and that would give you the same end result. And just want to make sure that the pull quotes are the same sort of distance at the top from the text as they are at the bottom. And there we go. That is our completed layout. So we have a unified color theme with some custom created shapes as well. I'll finish off by going to the File menu and choosing Save.